The owner of a bakery has found that the cost of making 100 muffins is $32, while the cost of making 400 muffins is $50. Assume that the cost function is linear. Find the linear cost function. So it's important to remember that the linear cost function is going to look like C of x is equal to mx plus b, where m is the marginal cost and b is the fixed cost. Now here's the problem. In this example, it doesn't give us the marginal cost or the fixed cost. However, what it does tell us is that 100 muffins will cost $32 and 400 muffins will cost $50. Now, if you're looking at your linear function, you understand that the marginal cost, m, is the same thing as the slope. And I've written these two pieces of information in this way so that it will actually look like it is a point. So we have two different points, and now we know how to find the slope. We can actually use the slope formula in order to find m, our marginal cost. So we've got 50 minus 32 over 400 minus 100. Remember, your slope formula is always y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when we do the 50 minus 32 and we divide it by the 300, we get 0.06. What does that mean? That means it costs 6 cents. That's our marginal cost here, right? That's what we found. And the marginal cost is how much it costs to produce one muffin. So it costs us 6 cents for every single muffin that we want to produce in our bakery. So we can actually now answer the next question. What is the marginal cost? The marginal cost is 6 cents. Now it wants to know what is the fixed cost. How much does it cost to get this bakery set up in the first place? Well, the problem is we don't know B. However, we do know how to use linear equations and how to solve them. So if we take one of our points, it does not matter which of your points you use. I'm going to just use this first one, 132. And you take your formula and you say 32 is equal to our m, which we just found is 0.06, times 100 plus b. We should therefore be able to solve this and find b. So we get 32 is equal to 6 plus b, and so b is equal to 26. This means that our fixed cost to set everything up is $26. Now we know what our cost function actually is. We have C of x is equal to 0.06x plus 26. That's our linear cost function. Once we have that, we can now go ahead and answer the last question, which is, what is the total cost of producing 1,000 muffins? So this problem wants to know, given that cost function that we just found, what is C of 1,000? Well, all you need to do is plug 1,000 into your equation, and we get 0.06 times 1,000 plus 26, which is equal to 86. And so it will cost $86 to produce 1,000 muffins.